Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make a simple tiny house design in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with rotate rectangle. Click from this origin and we can set the height of this tiny house around 2.6 meter. Enter, and we can drag to the another side around 6 meter and also enter. Okay, now we can click the surface and push it up around 300 millimeter for the base of this tiny house. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then we can select a rotate rectangle, or we can select the rectangle. We can click from this origin until this corner in here. We can make the diagonal with a rectangle. Then we can push it up around 3.5 meter. Enter. Okay, and after that we can click this line, or we can click this line and select move, type control, click from this corner till this position around 2.5 meter and enter. Okay, then we can push it down around 500 millimeter. Okay, then we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then we can click this surface, right click, and erase. Okay, now we can make the large window and the door opening. Over there we can use the rectangle and click from this position. Okay, so this is about the window of this tiny house, because we can make the large window in here and we can offset it inside. Okay, then we can offset the frame inside just a little bit. Okay, then we can offset it inside this one, and we can make the window in here. Okay, and we can make the window in here. So this is the bathroom window, and after that we can assign about the materials to facilitate us about making the grid materials. Anyway, we can make the interior first, the interior materials first. Okay, with using these materials. Anyway, I've already prepared the materials from my library. Okay, now we can select the color. We can select the frame. We can assign about the frame materials, and we can select the glass. Okay, and we can assign the materials in here. Okay, this one, and then we can select the materials of exterior of this tiny house. Okay, we can assign about the materials. Okay, now we can assign about the roofing materials of this tiny house with using the roofing materials. We can use metal roof, and we can move it up a little bit, and also this one for make the tiled. We can tile about the roof in here. Okay, and it's done. And okay, we can also setting about the field of view of this angle. Okay, and we can make the same. Materials of the frame in here. Okay, this one, and then we can click this line and select move, type control, and we can place to this position. Then we can make the line in here. We can make the line in here. Okay, we can make the bathroom in here. Okay, now we can assign about the tile materials for the bathroom. I use this one to make the tile materials, and we can set the color, and also this one. Okay, now we can make the rectangle in here for decking, and we can assign with the wood materials in here. And then we can set the shower area in here. We can type 1 meter approximately. So this is about the shower area, and I will make the illustration of the shower. Okay, so this is just for the illustration for the shower. Okay, so this is shower illustration in here, and I'll make the waterfall over there. Okay, can make group, and so this is a waterfall for the interior of the fixture. Okay, I will assign with the materials like this, and this is about the glazing materials. Okay, and this is for the toilet placement in here. So this is toilet placement, and we can make the simple toilet okay, so this is just for symbolic, just for the symbolic 3D. Okay, we can make this one. Okay, then we can make the glazing in here. Okay, and this is about the floor drain. Okay, we can using the metal. Anyway, this is for the floor drain area in here. Okay, okay, this is the shower, this is waterfall, this is the toilet, and then we can make the wall in here and make the rectangle for door for the toilet like this. Okay, now we can assign about the frame materials also in here, and assign the wooden materials, and also the wooden materials over there, and also the frame materials. And we can now set the colors of the door or openings on this, okay, on this tiny house. And we can also set the wood flooring. Okay, so this is the wood flooring, and we can make the baseline with the concrete. It's just for example. Okay, and so this is about the area. This is for the central area. You can add several items in here. You can make the mini pantry in here. Okay, and this is the cabinet. This is the little cabinet over there. And you can select the synthetic surface for finishing. Okay, and you can set the backsplace. Okay, and you can also set the stone materials on that one, or you can set the dark stone materials over there, and you can divide about the cabinet. You can type 4/ and enter, and also this one. Okay, we can type 4/ and enter. Anyway, this is just for the basic, so you can make it more details with your own exercise. So this is the sink, and this is the countertop. Okay, you can select the color. This is the sink, and this is the countertop. This is just basic, so you can explore more by your own exercise. Okay, and you can also set the roof color with using the dark materials over there. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.